Today, the web is a definitive lord. World north of, a mammoth trade of information unfolds on different servers, and the trading of data exclusively depends on the information introduced. In any case, on the off chance that the information source isn't veritable or the information isn't put away properly, the whole world could come to a disaster. Chiliz, the group of followers, another fan-following component arising on the scene of the Chiliz network is the local token CHZ, which empowers fans to trade Chiliz tokenized casting a ballot rights utilizing fan tokens. The token additionally give admittance to encoded record of casting a ballot rights proprietorship. Fan Token Contribution, FTO, offers limited fan tokens. Avid supporters can uphold clubs like AC Milan, FC Barcelona, Paris Holy Person Germain, Atletico Madrid through fan token, which are accessible on fan commitment stage. Juventus Football Club was quick to send off a group token through the Socios.com site. The site involves CHZ tokens as a selective on-stage cash. From that point onward, it checked critical recuperation, and in last November, it arrived at a high of 55 cents. Notwithstanding, subsequent to hitting 50 cents, according to Negative Signs, Chiliz has checked persistent negative pattern, and at present, it exchanges around 25 cents. Content for CHZ conjecture referenced on the site. Content depends on our expectation of least cost, obstruction level, greatest cost, and different pointers. We demand you really do claim research recommending projected most extreme cost, guessed value changes and least cost according to your assumptions for Chiliz figure. Specialists say on Chiliz, CHZ, coin cost forecast uncovers the Chiliz crypto cost will be around 26 cents on December 2022. The hopeful gauge predicts an ascent of half with a future cost of 30 cents in a year and further going up to $1.56 in the following 5 years. In January 2022 the cost began with 27 cents. According to Chiliz Cost Forecast 2022, Chiliz cost will be 24 cents before the year's over, with a hopeful pattern posing a potential threat in the forthcoming few years between $0.34 and $0.5. We have made an aggressive bullish pattern for 2022 according to our Chiliz cost expectation specialists. It claims 2022 will be a perfect year for Chiliz, CHZ, considering all variables, and the resource could reach as high as $1.13 by long-term time. As per Chiliz cost expectation specialists, toward the finish of 2025, the cost of Chiliz could exchange around the greatest cost of 23 cents. Market Chiliz forecasts anticipate the base cost to be as low 20 cents by July. A drawn-out increment is normal in view of wallet financial backer examination and Chiliz gauge. The CHZ cost expectation for 2027 is $1.485. With a 5-year venture in light of the ongoing value, the income is supposed to be around plus 638.81% in 5 years. CHZ will be the pick and decision of gaming financial backers in the business sectors, particularly in light of the fact that it has endured for the long haul. Likewise, financial backers have found an element of dependability implanted in this cash. Pandemic has been a genuine standard for fiat and digital currencies. Conquering all obstacles, the Chiliz cryptographic money is said to hold a benchmark for its exhibition later on, drawing in a significant games financial backer local area from the business sectors, outperforming all assumptions in view of the most recent insight about computerized coins. The worth of opposition level R1, R2, and R3 are $0.199, $0.2027, and $0.2092, individually. At the hour of composing this specialized investigation and Chiliz figure, the ongoing cost of Chiliz is 20 cents with an exchanging volume of CHZ is $187,924,845, and the market cap of Chiliz is $1,079,375,366 with a flowing stockpile of $5,344,064,580 CHZ. The ongoing all-time high is 87 cents. Chiliz value forecast 2022. CHZ gauge predicts the Chiliz value equivalent to 28 cents will stay over time. Chiliz digital currency can exchange with a base cost as low as 20 cents. Chiliz cost forecast 2022 by specialists assess Chiliz, CHZ, cost to exchange around 26 cents in Q2, 28 cents in Q3, and 29 cents in Q4. The street ahead is brimming with pedals according to CHZ cost estimate, gave the financial backer certainty continues blasting, bringing about a significant push to the Chiliz cost, taking it to cross all hindrances scaling point of the greatest cost of 30 cents. Taking into account there are no unexpected shocks or a stony way forward for the digital money market, Chiliz cost expectation, 2022, expects the CHZ cost is good to go to insist areas of strength for it as a significant fascination among its financial backer local area. CHZ coin value expectation uncovers Chiliz, CHZ, will presumably be conveyed by the NFT publicity for some time, at any rate. Momentary counter developments or even remedies in the coin are by and by anticipated. Chiliz could draw in much more consideration before long. The Chiliz, CHZ, cost will surely not be unaffected for impending days. Chiliz value expectation 2023. CHZ has laid out a quick, solid organization and worked with the client experience of the item. These elements can assist the CHZ with begetting gain a lot more exorbitant cost degree of 51 cents as projected most extreme cost. In the event that the drive for useful crypto go on into 2023, the cost might try and see a worldview rush with the Chiliz cost gauge with the coin cost could arrive at a level over the base cost of 24 cents. Our Chiliz value expectations depend on momentary specialized examination done by advertised specialists. Crypto market is viewed as unpredictable with high gamble included. Chiliz, CHZ, is entering an exceptionally serious and merciless space, off-chain scaling. Given the posting on the regarded forecast stage, an obvious cost flood in CHZ/USD can positively be anticipated. Chiliz value expectation 2024. There are many hypotheses proceeding for CHZ coin cost expectation. Particularly keeping in context the mechanical declarations and blasting areas of progress the corporate has plans on, there are suppositions in light of market cost expectations that the cost of Chiliz might arrive at a place of 42 cents. CHZ figure predicts the most extreme cost, least cost to be 50 cents and 30 cents individually. Before you choose to buy CHZ, look for a well-qualified assessment to enhance your procedure choices assessing market cap. Projected Chiliz, CHZ, cost, obstruction level, and so on, to limit the dangers implied in this